So welcome to the demo on OCI Vision service. Now we studied in the OCI Vision. Now if I ask you that what is the Vision service related to, obviously you can remember that the Vision is actually related to images. So let's take a look. So pretty simple, you go to Analytics and AI and you choose Vision. As you go into Vision, you'll see that it specifies all the things that we learned in our theoretical lesson. We talked about the image classification, where we are saying that it can categorize scene-based features. You will see in this demo that it will be able to identify the features, even objects within an image. So it has a concept of object detection, where it can locate and identify the objects within the image. It can do face detection. So something we've seen with Facebook, right? Normally when you're tagging yourself or your friends, it is a face detection technology that they use. So it is able to locate and identify human faces. Then we talked about the optical character recognition, the OCR concept, right? The text detection. So inside your image, it can even figure out where is the text. So let's quickly take a look. So all you need to do is you need to just go to image classification. Now in image classification, these are like some of the sample images Oracle gives. You can always upload your own image. As you can see, there are two options, right? One could be your image source can be object storage. So all you need to do is create an object storage, create a bucket and upload your, say, images inside that, right? Or the other way, easier way, is you can just drop your files from your local hard drive, right? So in this case, if you actually study, like we are talking about this image, and just look at the results, so powerful. It's able to find out or figure out that this is an overhead power line. Absolutely correct, right? And even gives the confidence, right? Then it says that yes, I can see a road as well, right? This is all AI, guys. You just uploaded an image and look how beautifully it's able to analyze the entire photograph. Transmission tower, like it can say that, okay, it could be a transmission tower. It's something related to you could say something related to the electrical supply, right? And I can see some vegetation as well. If you see all around here, it can figure out that yes, there is some vegetation. And look at this result. This is so perfect. It says yes, it's a denim jeans, right? It has got a pocket. It is a text. It is related to something like a textile, and with this, it's saying okay. With these, if you see, the confidence score is less, like waist and textile, but with the rest, the confidence score is really high, right? And if I actually select my own photograph, something like this or this, yeah. Let's say I select this photograph, and it's a big photograph. So let me try. Okay, let's try this photograph. Okay, so if you see how it analyzes, it says, oh, I'm able to see a human hand, right? I can see some wrist here. I can see fingers here, and it's basically related to a human, not an animal. So that's how intelligent it is. Then we go into the object detection. In object detection, it can identify objects and their location as well. So if you see, it's able to identify which is a car. So this is a car, right? This is a bus. So that's how beautiful it is. Like when we talked about cats and dogs, here we are talking about it's able to figure out whether it's a bus, this is a car, right? There is a person as well somewhere. So inside there is a person sitting, right? And yeah, this is what object detection is. Then as I talked about the Facebook thing, like in Facebook, you might remember you click on a face and then you just tag yourself inside Facebook. Same technology. It's called a face detection, right? It is able to identify the human faces in a photograph, and then you can do the face detection. Then we have the text detection. Text detection is like inside your image, if you have got some text written, right? So up till now, whenever you used to upload a photograph, it was just a photograph. You were not able to differentiate between an image and the text which is inside that image. But now you can easily do that. So best example is if you see this is a school bus. So it's able to identify that this is a text, right? If I click on this, it's able to figure out, yes, it is school bus 1 2 3 4, and this is GMC, right? New York. So all this. So this is how powerful the OCI Vision utility or the OCI AI Vision service is. I think you got a good understanding of the OCI Vision. Thanks for watching.